What problem led you to BoldSign and SACS?
So it started with wanting to streamline our recertification process. And then COVID happened. And so we needed to come up with solutions to work more through our online portal. SACS created a recertification process. And through that, we still needed signatures. And so we needed a way to send these documents to our clients. We had been using Adobe and other signature software, but you have to buy a subscription for each person in the office. Our office has about 10 to 12 people. And so it just became expensive for the subscriptions, and it wasn't integrated into the software. For our program, it was more important that it was integrated into our software system. So we weren't having to click on a lot of different applications to be able to submit the paperwork. We literally just, we hit a button, the documents were sent to the client, and we could track the documents as the signatures were completed.
And what would you say is the biggest highlight of using BoldSign?
And everybody is out of the office at some point, and so having all the documents in our software system, we can pull up the signed documents. So if I'm out for whatever reason, then coworkers can pick up where I'm at in the process at any given time. So it helps us as a group work together as well.
When introducing BoldSign, what was the reaction like from your client base?
We had a client who shared that she was able to submit all the necessary documents on a 15-minute break during work. She was able to track the submission, so she submitted it to our office. We could go into BoldSign, see where the signature was. She gets confirmation that she submitted it. The reduced burden on the client to return the paperwork, knowing where our documents are in the process, and then also just saving on all the supplies it costs to send out massive mailings. Like we send out 1,000 letters at a time. If we can do that through an online source, we're saving postage on all of that. We're saving the client postage on the return. We don't want to be stuck in the dark ages where we're always working through paper. We've got a whole archive room of boxes of documents that'll have to be shredded. It's just an easier process. It's a better process for us.